It's the beginning of February. Yes, it's the second month of the year. 1/12 of the year has been completed, the month of January. Let's talk about a quick review of January. Now, stop for a minute. We tend to approach reviews from the place of judgment. We are looking honestly for the things that didn't go well. And this sense of judgment, this that we're going to find all of our deficiencies, is the primary reason that I found that most of us really don't enjoy reviews and we will procrastinate on doing them if we do them at all. So stick with me for a minute. Rather than looking at a review as judgment, where we're really looking for all the things that we did wrong, how about if we engage our curiosity and we're looking for what we can celebrate? This is the energy that we want to bring into a review. And you may be wondering, so why am I making such a big deal of January? There's a couple of reasons. The first one is that to really start approaching reviews with curiosity and looking for our wins, it's much easier to do on a shorter term. So I will be honest, I'm trying to get you to start this process so as we go through the year, it will become very robust and it will serve you well. So how did January go? First, we are looking for what went well in January. Looking at what went well in January, specifically with our goals, is one component of it. But this is also just a bigger question. What went well in January? If you were to write down the things that you were grateful for, the things that went well in January, what does that list look like? Yes, pause the video right now. Jot down that list. If you are driving, you probably have voice memos or something like that on your phone. Turn it on and start listing aloud or writing down what went well in January. This is step one. This is the beginning of a review. We always want to start with what went well and celebrate it. That's the beginning part. Now we want to be curious. So we've made our list of all the things that went well in January. You did create that list, right? Now we're looking for what, based on what happened in January, might we want to do differently in February? That's it. What might we want to do different? This is not about finding fault. This is based on what we did in January. What specifically do we want to change? That's it. This is the review at a monthly level. What went well? What are we going to celebrate? Pause for a minute to celebrate. Generally, those things we're going to continue doing because they went well. And now we're just looking for, let's say, 1 to 3 things specifically that we might want to change. When we feel good about things, we're more likely to continue doing it and being willing to do it. And then we're just looking for 1 to 3 things based on what happened in the month of January that we want to do different for February. See? It's not so painful. Approach reviews with curiosity. We are looking for what went well so we can celebrate it. And then we're just looking for a couple of things based on what we learned in that month that we want to do different. January review. 1/12 of the year is gone. Start small. Do a quick review. And let me know how it went and what questions you may have asked. I would love to help you fall in love with doing reviews. That's it for this week. Bye for now.